This is the iPhone 11 Pro. So, first inside the box, you've got the phone itself. You can unpeel that nice plastic wrap, get the nice ASMR, and we can set the phone aside for now. You'll see there's no plastic wrapping on the back to see what else is inside of the box. You've got your standard paperwork, including but not limited to the Apple stickers, which are of course my favorite part. And then you've got the fast charger. This is something new with the iPhone 11 Pro that I was really looking forward to. You can see it charges with USB-C, and that's something that Android's had for a while that Apple's now getting a nice gain on. And you've got the suspiciously packaged headphones that look like AirPods until you open them and see that they actually have wires, but everyone I've ever showed this to thinks they're AirPods at first. But of course, last but not least, you've got the charger, which now charges with USB-C. No, the phone still charges with Lightning, but it plugs in with USB-C, which is nice for the fast charger. So that's pretty much it for what's inside of the box.
So I unboxed the iPhone 11 Pro, and here are some of the first things that I noticed. Well, obviously the first thing that I noticed was the triple cameras that look like a fidget spinner. They look pretty nice, and one of the actually really cool features that I don't know if was on previous phones last year because I didn't get a XS Max, but I'm pretty sure it wasn't available, is this new transferring data feature. I was able to just take a picture with this phone on this phone, and then it was able to just wirelessly transfer all of the data from my 8 Plus to the 11. And it's transferring data right now. You can see it's about 42 minutes done. That's like pretty insane. Like, I did not know you were able to do that, and that's actually one of the coolest features that I've at least seen so far. And this is just first impressions, so these are of course just my first impressions with the iPhone 11 Pro. Other things I'm noticing are this guy is chunky. Like, I thought my 8 Plus was chunky, and of course it is with this big case, but this guy is especially chunky, especially compared to like the 10, the XS. It's really big and heavy. It weighs about the same as probably an 8 Plus, while only being 2/3 of the size. Oh, and of course also the color. As you can tell, I went for the gold because I am a sucker for gold. I got the gold iPhone SE a few years back, and I would have gotten the gold iPhone 8 Plus, but it only came in white and space gray. Oh no, actually they did offer it in gold, but oh yeah, it was white on the front, which I didn't want. I wanted that nice black front. Luckily, they don't make a white front for the iPhone 10 series, because that would look pretty bad. And then of course, the other thing that I noticed was the new back. Not only is there the triple camera, but it's actually matte on the back. The back feels like something like a Pixel 3. So it's still glass, so if you drop it, it still will crack, but if you feel it, you actually have to kind of feel it. It's hard to tell on camera, but it's not glossy, you know? Not like you're touching like a window or a mirror or something like glass like before. That's what the camera feels like. But yeah, I'm really excited to try out the iPhone 11. I'll have a review out probably in around a week once I've been using this guy for a while, but yeah, I haven't even really tried it yet. It's still transferring data, as you can tell, which again is a very cool feature that I really, really like. You guys are not to let me know in the comment section down below if that's even new. I don't even know. But yeah, so I'll let you guys know soon what I think of it. I'll see you guys in about a week with my full review. I'm Jack. Peace out.